Well, CoastLife, it is the season where Girl Scouts go door to door and they peddle their wares, those wares being Girl Scout cookies. And sometimes you don't live in an area that has Girl Scouts in them. So maybe you want to try making some of those cookies at home on your own. We've got our field correspondent, Spencer Tober, joining us in our little kitchenette area. And you have discovered a way to make Girl Scout cookies at home for today's trending try.
Yes, the Girl Scouts are not out quite yet, and as they shouldn't be. It's way too cold, first of all.
Yeah, very true.
So I concocted a 2-ingredient no-bake recipe for Thin Mints.
I am hype because I couldn't tell you the last time I had one of those, and that's like my favorite thing.
All right, so it's going to be up to you to decide whether you can tell the difference or not.
Okay.
But real simple. You've got some crackers. The main component right here are Andes mints.
That makes
little
sense.
Mint chocolate for you. And we already took the liberty of melting some chocolate for you.
Yes, and you did this in a very safe and effective way too, that I think, because
Yes.
sometimes melting chocolate can get tricky. It can ruin pans, it can ruin
I know,
pots.
yes. So
this is pretty non-ruining your kitchen way.
We used warm water and some cheap, kind of almost like DIY piping bags.
Okay.
All right, because if you heat up plastic too much, it can release, dangerous chemicals.
Smells minty.
Yes. So we used warm water, and Leah, what I want you to do is take the open end of the bag, kind of like pinch it down, almost like yeah, just like that. And look at that. That already almost looks like a more professional piping bag,
there
right?
we go.
All right. So next step, we are going to just clip this right here. All right,
Just
Leah.
a tiny little bit, because we don't want another ice cream situation.
Oh no, I missed that.
That's okay. There was an incident.
All right. Well, and then the next step right here, we can either cover or decorate our crackers.
Okay.
Now is time for a little style.
We get a little creative here. All right. Well, we'll see.
All right. Oh yeah. Mine's definitely going to be a little mess here.
Okay. Here, we'll try to just go a little more traditional, if you will. I like yours. Yours looks like the little fudge cookies.
Oh, that's right. With a little minty deliciousness.
Yes. Okay. I'm excited about this trending try.
Okay. Let's just put these down for now.
The crackers is an interesting touch, but it'll give it that like crunchy bite that Thin Mints have.
Yes, of course.
All
okay.
Right. Well, let's do it. It's not unlike a Thin Mint.
I think I need more chocolate.
You need more chocolate. Okay, yeah. I see. I was just full coverage.
But yeah, my sisters were Girl Scouts, so this just brings me right back to just getting a little discount, I should say, on these cookies.
I was a Girl Scout.
Ago.
I was a Girl Scout too, and I was always excited about cookie season, and I think being able to make these at home in a pinch, because it's not year round either. So maybe if you're just craving a Thin Mint, there you go, nice and easy.
I do know Girl Scout cookie season is coming up.
It's coming up quick, yes. Right? I remember that. I feel like it was like January, February, we started getting the catalogs and all of that. So best of luck to your Girl Scouts out there. And in the meantime, until they can make it to your home, you might want to try making these, because I think it turned out very, very well. Thanks, Spencer.
All right, maybe even some competition for the girls.
Ah, there you go. Well, we do have some more CoastLife. That's not a competition. That's coming up next.